Okay, so Sujit, let me congratulate you for your selection in NPCL, and you're from civil engineering. And let me thank you also for giving your time to me this morning.
Thank you so much, sir. Because of your guidance, I'm here today.
Okay.
Thank you
Okay,
so much, sir.
yeah, Sujit, now your brief introduction is required. In that, please tell us from where you are. When did you graduate in civil engineering? What was your GATE score? And how many marks did you get in NPCL in interview?
Okay, sir. My name is Sujit. I'm from Karnataka. I done my BTech. I completed my BTech in 2019 from RV College, Bangalore, and my GATE score is 860. And I got a GATE rank of 141 in GATE 2020. And my interview score at NPCL interview is 79.
79, great. So, Sujit,
It is the highest marks.
okay. So I heard that in NPCL, GATE score is only criteria to get interview call, and after
Yes,
you get interview call, it is all interview which decides the selection. Is it true?
yes, sir. Only based on the interview, the final selection will be there. For interview, they will select in the 1:13 ratio.
Okay.
So the seats were 35, and they called around 380 or 390 people.
Okay. In civil engineering.
Yes, sir. Civil engineering.
So Sujit, now NPCL is every year the exam. I mean, they recruit or what? Any idea about recruitment? I mean, number of seats.
Yes, yes, sir. Every year they will recruit, and based on the previous 3 years GATE score, they will be recruiting. So it is the best opportunity, sir. In the past 3 years, if you have a good GATE score, we can apply anytime. Continuously for 3 years.
I think NPCL must be one of the few PSUs which consider previous GATE score also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So because normally,
even though if we have low GATE score also, we can crack the interviews.
Okay. So any idea up to which minimum GATE score? You are from which category?
I'm from open category, generals.
General category. So any idea about up to which GATE score in general category interview they must have called for interview?
Sir, around 350 ranks. Okay, around 300 to 350 rank.
Okay, 350 rank, all India rank, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, but you said there were number of seats and they called 13 times of that.
Yes, sir. There were 13 general vacancies, sir. So total 169 people they have called for a general people.
Okay, that is all India rank 350 tak they called, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, Sujit, let's come to interview part. So, how was it? Can you elaborate on that part now?
Yes, sir. My interview was on 21st August. Okay. I was the first person on that day. So the interview was about 40 minutes. There were 9 panelists. And as soon as I went in, as the main panelist was knowing my college in Bangalore, so he asked me about my college and what are the activities you involved in your college. So through that, I told him my mini project that is about a concrete boat we floated in Bay of Bengal. So he was impressed by that, and the interview was for 10 to 15 minutes only on that my mini project. It was good that only I got the opportunity to explain my mini project such things. Usually they will not ask such HR questions. Only they will directly go into the main 5 subjects of your interest.
Okay. So they will ask for 5 main subjects and then they will start asking you questions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Not only from 5 subjects. Not only from 5 subjects, they will touch the other subjects also, but main questions will be from 5 subjects.
So Sujit, can you share your interview experience with us? What did they ask you and how was it?
So the interview was mainly of this experiments, sir. The concrete lab experiments and geotechnical lab experiments. Everything starting from fineness of the cement, the compressive strength, and workability. Small, minute questions like after casting the cube, in which direction we need to place in the compressive testing machine.
Okay.
So every detail of the procedure we must be knowing. So if we know the basics in the experiments, that will be fine. And majorly they asked for me the experimental part only. And in geotechnical also they asked from SPT and soil stability and else, and fluid mechanics some questions they asked. And from highway engineering there gradient related questions were asked. And in BMC they asked about the wood seasoning of the wood, brick test, and types of cements used, why we will be used, and what type of foundation we will use for which type of soil. There's only the conceptual questions they were asked me, and there were no problems given to me to solve on the board. There were no structural analysis questions for me.
So Sujit, as you know, on your PDA, our mentors keep on making small videos on interview questions also, like these were the questions asked. Normally
Yes.
we choose the questions which are ticklish question, which students give us feedback that this was the question asked and it was a little ticklish question. So can you, on the basis of your memory, remember some question which was a really good question, ticklish question, on the basis of which we can make some kind of informative video for the students?
Yes, sir. I have actually noted down my interview questions.
Okay.
And if I want, I can send you the questions also.
Yeah. So do you remember anything? Please send those questions to me on my WhatsApp. But do you remember any question which you can tell me now?
Sure.
Because your video will be watched by students. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I will.
Yeah. You want to share your screen, Sujit?
No. I will be
Reading it, huh?
telling the questions.
Yeah. No problem. Go ahead.
So they asked me about the moment of resistance of singly and doubly reinforcement,
Okay.
and why it is used, in which purpose we will be using such kind of reinforcement.
Okay.
And the second is all workability tests they asked, the detailed procedure also, and the cube compression test they asked, and the pull-out test also. And from geotech they asked the SPT, so penetration test procedure, and the detailed procedure starting from the maintenance of the ground, how we will do, why we will do, everything they asked. And they asked the type, cover, what is the cover we will give for column, beam, etc. And why we will be used steel in RCC. They wanted some 5 points like that. And fineness of the cement they asked. And coming to environmental engineering, they asked the wastewater treatment plant, why we should do, what are ingredients we are putting in it, like that. Everything, the concepts they used us, the brick test they asked, the sludge digestion process with concepts also, seasoning of wood, why, how, what are the methods of seasoning, and condition for a object to float in water, and the definitions of BGM, body center, meta center, like that, and ingredients in the cement, and what is the use of them in the strength, what the property induces, like we use a calcium oxide, silicon oxide, and what are the properties the cement will be gained if we increase the proportion of them, like that questions. And mild steel and HYSD bar tension test also they have asked.
Okay.
And what are the procedure for that?
Okay. You mean universal testing machine they asked you about UTM?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And yes, sir. What is the difference between mild steel and the HYSD bar? What differences in the procedure we need to do?
Okay, Sujit, anything else you want to tell about the interview? When some student next year goes for interview of NPCIL, how he should prepare? Any idea about that?
Yes, sir. So they need to prepare till the end of the subject, sir. If we take the subject RCC, they need to go till the design of the retaining wall, water tank design. These were the questions asked for my friends also.
Okay.
So we need to prepare till the end of the topic in every subject, and we need to be confident, sir. We need not have all the formulas. Only we need to know the concepts. That's the main thing. And also in the interview they'll select a topic and they will go on asking the questions. Till the time we tell I don't know. So after the interview, we feel that we did not do well because we expressed that we don't know for so many questions. But it's not that you should not be you should not lose the confidence. But if they see you a potentiality in you, definitely they will select you.
Okay. So that is how you should keep on preparing, right, Sujit?
Yes, yes.
So where will you play? Where will you get your posting? Where will you get your job?
So presently we have training till next year, July 31st. Based on our performance, we will be allowed. We will be getting.
Where
the
you are
posting.
getting trained as of now?
Now we are all civil engineers are getting trained in Kaiga, sir, Karnataka.
Okay, Kaga plant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So how is the environment there? How is the campus?
It's very beautiful, sir. It is full of greenery, sir. In every direction, only greenery is there, sir. And it's different climate over here, sir. It's completely in Western Ghats, isolated from all the cities. If you are a greenery lover, it's very good.
So the effort
And
which a
Goa is
student,
also nearby.
the effort which a student puts for getting into PSU, is it worth it?
Yes, sir. It's definitely worth it. After I coming here, I am seeing the amenities they are providing for us. It's very good, sir. It's obviously it is a central government job, and very good, sir. And as soon as we enter the power plant, sir, we feel that we are main asset of the country, sir. So
Yes.
that is very fine. In
That
other
really-
PSS, we will not get, sir. And the post over here is also scientific officers. So the name of the post is only exciting.
Yeah, that is great. Chalo, Sujit, I wish you all the very best in your career ahead, research this NPCIL career, and we wish you
Thank
do
you, sir. Thank you.
great job for the nation.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And I would like to, if any juniors want to get guidance from me, I'm always here to help, sir.
Okay, that is required, and I'm really thankful that you volunteer for that. Thank you, Sujit.
Thank you, sir.